Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So today we've got another leftover paint pour. This one's extra interesting though because in this cup is some of the Artist Loft ready mixed pouring paint, which is just a little different than the regular paint. So it's going to be interesting. And because I get this question every time of how do I get this leftover paint, when you do a paint pour, there's always a little bit left in the bottom of the cup. So instead of just throwing that out, I put my cups together like this and drain them into each other. And that way it saves the paint. And that also, it's not airtight, but it'll save it for a couple weeks. And then once I have enough, I just do a painting with it. So that's how that happens. This is also a canvas I'm reusing. So I spray painted it with paint and primer in one. And in this cup is, oh my gosh, all kinds of paints. Some of the neon paints I've been using recently. Whoop. So this is, I can tell, is already a bit chunky on the bottom. Some of my Artscape paints. There is silicone in here from when I did the silicone pours with the ready mixed pouring paint. There's the Artist Loft fluid acrylics, flow acrylics in here. Yeah, so I got different densities of paints and whatnot. It's kind of just a mixture, crazy mixture here. So, and it's been sitting there for probably a couple weeks. So sometimes when you leave it there for a couple weeks, it can kind of clump up in the bottom, which is what happens. So we actually have kind of some paint clumps in here, and I'm not sure whether to try to pick them out or just leave them, and that's part of the painting. It's hit or miss. Sometimes you can get them out, sometimes you can't. Let's see. Nope. Okay. It was worth a shot. So yeah, I'm really not sure how that will dry. But this painting is looking very interesting, and it's going to be textured. What I don't want happening is it getting super crazed, but that is really cool. Okay, because there is that silicone in there, let's go ahead. We'll let it sit for a little bit on its own and see if anything else comes up, and then we'll do our close-up. Okay. So we definitely had a few cells pop up in here, which I'm not super thrilled about. I do love this side though. Let's go ahead and do our close-up. So this is the bottom right-hand corner. This is the side that I really love. Look up here, we have some really interesting patterns. This is the upper right-hand corner. Like, look at that. That's so cool. Over to the upper left-hand corner, bottom left-hand corner, and then here's the middle with those cells popping up that I don't particularly like. But there you have it. This was a good test of mixing those ready mixed pouring paints with other paints and seeing if you could use it for a leftover pour. The answer is yes, you can. Like I said, wish it didn't have the silicone in there, but that's okay. Still pretty cool. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.